Welcome to the ShaLaw Contact Management Center video tutorial on how to install the software. First, you should receive an email that welcomes you to the Contact Management Center. We'll open our email program and I'll go to my email account. Management Center email. We have our account information, username, user ID, email, renewal date, billed amount, the features that we subscribe to, and then instructions in video links and plain text on how to install the software. We'll visit our website and we'll use the download software button to begin the software download. We'll click the link and we'll proceed there. This takes us directly to the ShaLaw Logistics website under the software tab. We'll scroll down here, the features you can subscribe to, and we'll scroll down to the download latest Contact Management Center software button. Click the button and we should then see the ShaLaw CMC MSI begin to download. We've got about, well, it's ready. We'll open the file and run the installation. Now this is Windows 10. So Defender is going to try and protect me from the MSI. And we'll click the more info so we can run it anyway. And then I've also got Norton Antivirus installed and it's trying to protect me as well. And we want to run the program anyway, because this is the downloaded file to install the software. Next, you can see that Windows wants you to register the software. So you're going to answer yes to allow the app to make changes. And once you do that, the software should be installed. We should now be able to find it under S, ShaLaw Contact Management Center. And when you run it the first time, you need to go under the more and run as administrator, since this is Windows 10, to register the software. And once we see the screen pop up here, it's now preparing our user experience. The screen is now open and you can now type in your user ID and your passcode and sign into the software. Now you're ready to go. That ends this tutorial. Enjoy your user experience.